Subscribe to Mom Suddari and tap on the bell icon so that you can receive my latest recipe notifications as and when I upload it. Hello friends, welcome to Mom Suddari. Today I'll be showing you a popular rice recipe which is the khichdi. It's very easy and delicious to prepare. So let's prepare this very easy and delicious khichdi recipe. So for that we'll be needing rice 750 grams. We need tomato chopped, four large, 4 onions chopped. We need green chili about 50 to 100 grams. We need oil 250 ml. We need clarified butter or ghee 2 to 4 tablespoon. This is red lentils 150 gram. Along with red lentil we need green gram dal which is 150 grams. We need 50 grams of ginger, a bunch of garlic, and this is the extra ingredients which makes it very tasty. This is the watermelon seeds about 50 grams soaked in water for 30 minutes. You can also add curd in place of that. We need around 50 to 100 grams of green chilies as per your taste. So these are the ingredients. Along with this we need garam masala powder 1 spoon and coriander leaves. So as I was saying, we can soak the watermelon seeds for 30 minutes. You can also use curds or cashew nuts or poppy seeds paste in place of that. So initially we will roast the green chilies for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame or low flame, and then we'll be grinding the watermelon seeds with a little water. So this makes the recipe very tasty. And later we will also we'll make a green masala paste. For that we will be grinding the garlic cloves, garlic as well as the ginger, coriander leaves. On the other hand, we have heated a vessel and we will be adding the oil in it. You can make this recipe entirely in ghee also, so it's as per your requirements and taste. So we have used oil here. Once we have added oil, we'll be adding the chopped onions and we need to roast it until they turn to golden brown. So we have grinded the green masala. For that we have grinded the ginger, garlic, coriander leaves and to make the green masala. So here we have added the chopped tomatoes and we need to cook it until the tomatoes are dissolved. Further we will be adding water in it. We need around 2.5 liter of water because we have used 750 grams of rice there. Once we add water, we need to make the flame to full and then we need to add the green masala paste which we had grinded. So we have added the green masala paste now, and then we will be adding the watermelon seeds paste. So this makes the recipe very tasty. So in place of this you can also add curd or poppy seeds paste. So we have added the green masala as well as the watermelon paste. We will be adding salt now. We have added 1 tablespoon of salt. After that we will be adding turmeric powder. We need 1.5 spoon of turmeric powder. So this is our main vessel here, and we will be needing 1 spoon of garam masala powder. I have uploaded a different video of garam masala, what all ingredients goes into the garam masala. So please check out my garam masala recipe. So we have added garam masala powder now and we need to mix it well. So please remember, below the flame will be full. On full flame we need to mix it well, and then we need to add both the lentils. We have used 2 lentils here. So we have added the green gram dal as well as the red lentils. Once we added both the lentils, we need to cook this vessel on full flame until it starts to boil. So once it starts to boil, we will be adding the rice in it. So we have added now the second lentil and we have to cook for 5 minutes on full flame so that it starts boiling. As you can see, it has started boiling. Now we will be adding the rice. We have washed and kept the rice separately. Now we will be adding that rice into the vessel. Once we have added the rice, we need to stir it well so that each and everything gets mixed properly. When the water starts drying, then only we will be adding clarified butter and again we have to mix it. So we need to dry the water here. So as you can see, a little water has been dried, so we will be adding ghee or clarified butter in it, and we need to mix it well. Once the water dries a little more, then we will keep this vessel on a tawa and cook on it. So we have, on the other hand, we have heated a tawa there for 1 minute. For 1 minute we will be heating it on a full flame, and then once we keep the vessel on the tawa, then we will making the flame to medium, and then we have to cook for 5 more minutes here, so that our recipe gets completely ready. As you can see, we have taken it off stove. Khichdi is completely ready. So I want to show you one of another recipe which goes well or tastes well with this khichdi, that is the egg masala. So our khichdi is ready. Now we will be serving it. Please guys, this recipe is very delicious, and also comment your feedback and suggestions to us. Like and share this recipe with your family and friends. So as I was saying, this recipe goes well with another recipe. This is the egg masala. Please try this recipe also. So these both recipes are a combination. So our khichdi is completely ready. Like this recipe, share this recipe with your family and friends. Also comment us below your suggestions and feedback. On this channel you can find all the food related things. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.